In anticipation of CES 2021, Sony has revealed its flagship collection of new Bravia XR 4K and 8K TVs. The lineup features a mix of LED and OLED models, with screen sizes as big as 100 inches. For 2021, Sony's displays will be making the jump from the Android TV platform to the new and improved Google TV system. The upgraded Smart TV interface offers a more modern design with an emphasis on content, making it easier to jump right to your favorite streaming shows and movies. Take your home theater to the next level with the Sony Bravia XR X90J 4K LED TV. This television features the impressive cognitive processor XR, which understands how humans see and hear, to immerse you in a scene that feels natural and lifelike. Combined with a full-array LED panel, it gives you an ultra-realistic picture with authentic contrast. Furthermore, advanced speaker technology along with the processor lets you hear sound more clearly and accurately, no matter what you're watching. This TV is also compatible with Google Assistant. Just tell Google to find your favorite content or receive personalized recommendations by asking, "What should I watch?" Finally, the Sony Bravia XR X90J features up to 30% sustainable material in the frame and Sony's recyclable plastic surplus. So what are your thoughts? Comment down below. Don't forget to hit a thumbs up on this video and subscribe to this channel, so you don't miss any future tech videos we release. Thanks for watching.